Mhm. Bruh. Oops. I hit the wrong button. Lord have mercy. Congestion is my favorite thing on the planet. Everybody's having such a good time with allergy season, except me. Okay. Alright, 6610. That's alright. 6610. 6710. 6810. 6910. Everybody, everywhere. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wave 'em, shake it, wave 'em around like you just don't care. Uh, everybody, rock your body. Everybody, rock your body, right? Bay Street's back, alright. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Down, near, near, near. Huh. There are 3 people in here. What's up, people? I'm just waiting for the market to open. I'm gonna make a lot of money today. As it currently stands, we're leaning towards puts this morning. Looks like we've still got this gap to fill from yesterday. Look at that close. Yesterday was shit. Look, 90% of 90% of yesterday's in that tiny friggin' range. I hope it doesn't do that today. Like yesterday was just a really shitty day to trade. So I took one trade yesterday. I shorted this, held through all of this, and then I added to a short here. scalped out of the ad here. I added again here, scalped out down here, and then I didn't add a third time, but no, that's not right. I took my original trade right here, I added here, yeah, that's it. I added here and exited here, added again, exited down here at these lows, and then I full exited when this turned for the final time because I was so tired of holding into this range. I could have done that one more time probably, added here and sold here, but twice is pretty lucky. I'm glad I quit trading right there though, because I would have taken this long and lost probably. I would have taken this long, been stuck sideways again. I would have taken either this or this short. I might have taken this. Hard to say. I definitely would have taken those VWAP trades though. 100% would have taken those VWAP trades. 6 minutes to the market open. You have to excuse me, I have some stupid allergy shit going on today. It is no bueno. It is no bueno. It is no bueno. Everybody, everywhere. Oh no, the USB device is not recognized. Oh no. This is silly. I have to use my phone to stream on TikTok because they still won't let me have the studio. Real dumb. $3 to the market open. So I've got a 1 minute chart over here, and then on my other screen I've got this. Oops. It's a 5 minute chart, and then my options place down here. Just waiting. 2 minutes. Got about 1 minute and 45 seconds until the market opens, and then we'll see what happens today. Do 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 do, everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah, yeah, everybody, rock your body right. I wish that TikTok would let me have the desktop mode already. This is obnoxious. I hate it, and I'm sorry. For anybody watching on TikTok, we are live on YouTube under the name Your Typical Bull. It is much cleaner there. If you're watching on the TikTok, YouTube, you can actually see things. Yeah. Oops, sorry, homies. Appreciate the likes, Will. Yeah, if you're watching on TikTok, it's probably better for now to watch on YouTube because TikTok won't give me the TikTok Studio until I've streamed live for a couple of days and they approve their shit or whatever. So head over to the YouTube channel, watch on YouTube, Your Typical Bull on YouTube. But before you take off, smash the like button a bunch of times. Market just opened. See what happens here off the first few candles. What I'm looking for is a clean break of the VWAP, and then I want it to come and retest it. So if it breaks up and retests that way, I would go long. Of course, there's a fair bit of resistance up here, so unfortunately. So I'll just wait for a few minutes and let it play out and see what happens. If you're live, if you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on TikTok, we are live on YouTube, and things are much cleaner on the YouTube. Your Typical Bull on YouTube. A couple days, TikTok should, or maybe it's supposed to already have it, but TikTok should give me the ability to stream my desktop from the platform, but haven't gotten that yet. So working on it. Currently, right now, I'm thinking I might flip long. I was thinking short, but I may flip long. If this VWAP holds up, I may flip long. I'm not holding anything out, I'm just waiting. We still got 3 minutes till this candle closes. Mm-hmm. It's really quiet in here. Nobody's chatting. Say hello. So we broke this pivot, but first candle closes in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Again, 4 people in here. If you're watching live on TikTok, we are live also on YouTube. The quality of the stream on YouTube is much better because I'm actually streaming the desktop. Channel closes in 36 seconds. The volume on this pullback here, it's low. I'm gonna try. It's a little bit of an early entry, but I think I'm gonna try. We should definitely retest yesterday's close. Pretty bullish yesterday. I don't know. Might have got in late. Or got in early. Might have jumped the gun there just a bit. Yeah, I think maybe did jump the gun a bit. That's okay. We're not. It doesn't look terrible yet. Hmm. Hmm. Well, that sucked a little. That's good. I like that. That's beautiful. Yeah, looks good. I would have entered here anyway. It did pull back to this VWAP and then trade back above it. It's hard to tell right there at the open though. I would like for this candle to close near time. Yeah, there we go. See, look at gap setup. See the candle closed here and then open back up here. That's a nice gap. Look at the volume. Let's see this one follow through pretty good. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I get 3 minutes and 30 seconds to the next close. If you're watching live on TikTok, we are live on YouTube as well. The stream quality on YouTube is much better. I'm just waiting for TikTok to give me desktop streaming privileges. That's why I'm streaming through my phone's camera. The name on YouTube is the same name on TikTok. Your deliverable. Ooh, I might have made a mistake here. I don't like that it keeps popping below the VWAP here. Of course, this is the first entry long. If this confirms, this would be a second entry long. So you got a new low, a turn, another low here, second entry short. And then, no, it's not a second entry short, but it is definitely a second entry long if this confirms. So, we'll see. This 5-minute candle closes in 1 minute exactly. I'd like to see this follow through as well. Close near its highs. Yeah, we got the second entry long. Now what we want to see is a follow through. We'd like for this to break. And not triple top on a 1 minute chart. That would suck. Don't. I'd like for these highs to break because that would break the 5-minute opening range. Come on, break 90. The main issue here is 617 whole dollar resistance and this 617.15. Got a little resistance above us here, but it's all during the pre-market. We did break 90 by 1 penny. I wonder if today's going to be another shitty sideways day like it was yesterday. We need to get above 17. Getting above 17 would be excellent. Let's see. We already had one leg, 2 legs down. 1, 2, 3. Let's try and volume's tapering. Man, what are you doing to me right now? Okay. See what happens. Oh shit. My back hurts. My stall neck technically should be down here. But we'll see. We will see. Huh. Well. Well, sir. Oh, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Said, Lord, have mercy. No, don't do me like that. That's a pretty big red candle. Okay. Nice turnaround. See any like super significant volume right now. Could be just running stops here. That's definitely a second entry short that fails. Shit, I should have had it there. Yeah, I should have had it there. Hmm. Yeah, that's okay. 5 minute candle closes in 4 minutes. Yeah, definitely should have had it there. On that failed break. Come on, keep going, baby. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Break 617. That prints at 95. 95 holds, prints at 98, 99. 95's holding. Aim to get above 17. Patient. I really should have added here though. Right here on this break. I should have added on that break. That's a failed second entry short. See, here's the first entry long. This is second entry long. And then first entry short. Second entry short. Fails. That'd have been a good place to add to a long. I'm still unconvinced though. And then we're making new highs. We broke 617 by 3 cents and then traded right back below. I'd like to see this 5 minute candle close in 2 minutes above 17. Prints at 98. It's back down to 90. Candle close in 1:30. Perfect. Let's go, baby. That's what I fucking like to see. 52 seconds on the candle close. Big volume on the breakout, baby. Keep her rolling, sweetie pie. Keep rolling, sweetie pie. That's exactly what we want. Excellent, sir. Excellent. Yeah, look at that close. It was down here, and then look at the volume. Oh, beautiful. What was yesterday's close? 1784. Let's go. Keep going. You get follow through on that 5-minute candle. It closed at 1730, and its high was 35, trading above 35. 42. We're up 30%, 32%. $36. Come on, baby, keep going. 38%. Mm. 40%, 42%. 5%. 7%. Mm. First pullback's probably minor. on, make a new high, 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 make a new high. You can do it. Make a new high, make a new high, make a new high, make a new high, make a new high. This 5-minute candle closes in 25 seconds. 20 seconds. I can exit here and it'd be totally worth it, but I think it's going to go higher. So we're gonna see. Wait just a second. Uh, mm, okay, that's our cue. Our actual risk here. That's our actual risk. Okay, not bad. Not bad. I think like what, 30 something percent? I exited because look at this volume here. Higher, high volume on around the open. And you got low volume here on the next attempt to break through. And then this other candle, high volume red candle. And then you get to follow through. And then, yeah. And then if you look over on a 5-minute chart, it's a pretty big red candle. We might get another entry along here in just a second, though. Let me see it pull back a little more. So you got these pivots here. How's it good trade? frick. I think you got another light down here, maybe. Yeah, see, look at that gap. Ah, fuck me. Damn it. That's way too fast to enter. I wanted to get back in a VWAP. Yeah, I wanted to get back in a VWAP. I think I still can. Hmm. Possibly. It's only a first entry. Come on back, sweetheart. Nah, it's not gonna. Well, that sucks. That sucks. That was really fast, though. I don't know that. Sorry, I'm not a robot. I can't click that fast. Unfortunately. Hopefully, though, we get a second opportunity. We might. Just gotta be patient here. No chasing, no chasing. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. The lower high. Above is currently six, almost 6:15. Hmm. 5-minute candle close in 45 seconds. 1922 was yesterday's high. Mike, yes, I am going to be streaming regularly. Yes, sir. Is this second entry long? Second entry long. Second entry long, second entry short. That chart looks weak. Volume looks weak. Should have took it. Damn it, I should have took it. A wedge. 1, 2, 3. Looks like a wedge. Glad I didn't take it. I'm not sitting here all day though, like I used to. Um, it's what do you call it? Burnout. Get burnout. If you're watching live on TikTok, we are also live on YouTube. The YouTube streams the desktop. It is a much cleaner view. Uh, Hopefully, in the next couple of days or so, TikTok will actually give me the access that I'm supposed to have to the live studio to where I can stream my desktop on the studio. But until then, mm, might get this pullback here that we were looking for to begin with. I don't know. Do I get in there early here? I don't think so. I think we wait. miss it, but technically speaking, if it's first entry long, second entry long, below here means that fails. So, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, see, there's the. Let's measure these legs real quick. First leg. Second leg. Measure move down, second leg. Yep, there it is. Yeah, definitely. We have to wait. We have to wait. 1, 2, 3. 'Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've been waiting for. 39 seconds. Seconds, 13 seconds, 12, 11, 10. 1 second. Went long. I might scalp this. Beautiful. That's fucking excellent. Keep going. Oh, that's excellent. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. That's so fucking good. Oh, I love it. What was the actual risk? We did good. We did good. We did good. Actual risk was only here. Where was our entry? Right here-ish. Roundabouts. Damn it. Why don't you move down? I guess. That was our entry. It would have. Yeah. The Skull Live got marked as yesterday's close. That was good though. I like it. Close enough. Right here at the highs. Excellent. Not bad for fucking 2 minutes. Should have held them. Yeah, definitely should have held. Definitely should have held. It's a wedge. Look, 1 push, 2 push, 3 pushes, breakout, volume, follow through. Yeah, definitely should help. That's a really quick spike though. That's fine. I'm okay with this scalp. Especially when that scalp is definitely 2 times the risk in just 2 minutes. I'll take a 2-minute trade. I will take a 2-minute trade all day long. It's a failed second entry short also. See, here's the first entry short. Right? First entry short. Second entry short. Failed. This short was also a failed second entry long. See, first entry long, second entry long. Here's the confirmation. It's the second entry short entry here. Or the failed, I'm sorry, the failed second entry long is here. It's both of those things, regardless. I really, really like second entry plays, especially ones that are off of or very, very near to the VWAP. So like this, here's the retest. First entry on the VWAP, second entry on the VWAP. This is where I should have. I actually entered this trade here on the first entry, but I should have added on the second entry. But being the first trade of the day, I didn't want to take extra size just yet. What? Huh? Stink. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Don't mind me, just making money. Oh no, I'm hanging out with TikTok and YouTube. TikTok and YouTube. Might be done here shortly. Mhm. Don't think this pivot's very significant anymore. I do think this one is still pretty significant. Again, gold line yesterday's open. Actually, penny off on that. That's yesterday's open, or yesterday's close at 85. Wouldn't have gotten much more of that trade. I'm okay with that. Matter of fact, I'm actually okay with it regardless because it would have exited at almost the same place. I would have exited at 70. Well, I exited at 74. I would have exited at 70, 79 anyway, so 8 cents. I'm okay with that. In a channel here. You would assume that I should go long here, but I don't think I'm going to, simply because look at these. Look at this. I mean, you would expect that a very strong bullish market that it wouldn't be so easy for bears to shove that down all the way to the bottom of that channel like that. Look at the fall. I mean, that's a really strong push. I think that this is a fake. Theoretically, you would think you should go long here, but given the strength of this leg right here, I don't think it's a good idea. That's pretty aggressive. I don't know though. We might try it. We might try it. I'm gonna try it. Just see if I can get a quick scalp here. I'm not gonna hold long though. don't think. I made a mistake. First entry long. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. First entry long. This could be a second entry long here. Could be. It's pretty aggressive. Yeah, I'm out. Shouldn't have taken that. Okay. Yep, I think I'm done today. I even said out loud I shouldn't take this, and I did it anyway. Like a dumbass. All right. Yeah, I think that's gonna about do it for me today. Took 3 trades, 2 of them win. One of them loses. I am up 4% on the small account for the whole day. It's good. I took about what? Let's see, $40 on this one, 20 bucks on this one. I lost like 15 here, maybe 16, 17, something like that. Orders filled. Put on the side so easier to tell. Orders filled orders. Yeah, I lost $16 on that one. I made 30 on my second trade, and I made 40 on my first trade, something like that. 107 to 133, 108 to 138, and then the 70 to 54. That's okay. Overall, super good day. I'm happy with it. For just an hour, that's really good. The market usually doesn't give you 3 trades in an hour. Well, 2 trades rather, and one of me screwing up. See, like this trade's good though. Like, see, because look, you get this little blah blah here, and then some people buy, right? And then you get a little bitty tiny move, and people buy. And then you get this move here back down to VWAP, and as soon as you get to VWAP, people buy. That's a good trade. I can get behind that. But this one's a little different. You get tiny green candle that doesn't overtake this red one, and then just straight shot down to the VWAP. I shouldn't have taken this, and if I was going to take it, I should have waited for a second entry to take it. So what I ended up doing, I took a first entry here, right? So you took the first entry again. You don't get a second entry that confirms. Like this right here is actually the second entry to that move. It's a first entry, second entry here. So you would have been in lower, right? Confirms on this candle here. Stop goes down here. So that trade looks like this. Entry is here. Stop is here. And then 2 times that. Probably, let's just eyeball it here. You're at 1 times risk there. 2 times risk is back here. So let's see if that one works out. I just want to see if this works. Regardless of the fact now, there would be no way that you could lose money in that second entry trade there. Because at the very worst case scenario at this point, I would be looking to take break even if it didn't work. Being as how it moved. 1 times risk already. Okay, yeah, I probably would have took a break even on that trade. Yeah, definitely. So either way, wouldn't work. I mean, it wouldn't have worked out. It would have worked out better the second time. Like the first time you took a loss, the second time you would have just taken a break even and just been still 2 winners and a scratch. But that's fine. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you dudes for chilling with us today. I have to go get blood work done. I'm totally okay with how today turned out, regardless of the fact. But me doing the dumb thing, that's definitely means it's time to go. The longer you sit here and be bored, the more likely you are to make mistakes. I've already had 2 good, decent winners. So, anyway, what's the Wednesday? The 1st. Yeah, cool. I'll see everybody tomorrow.